Okay, ang lesson natin in our today's session is all about the implicit differentiation. So gusto kong maging direct to the point. Nag-prepare ako ng I think 3 examples regarding about implicit differentiation process. I will try solving example number 1 using 2 methods and let us see if we will going to arrive with the same result. Sa example number 1 natin sa ating implicit differentiation, we need to determine the value of y prime by implicit differentiation. So hanapin natin yung derivative ng ating given equation. And as I gave you the equation, ito yung ating equation ngayon, x cubed y to the 5th power plus 3x is equal to 8y cubed plus 1. So we need to determine its derivative by using the implicit differentiation process. Now sa right side, yung naka-red mark, ito actually yung sagot na kailangan nating makuha sa example number 1. Ang tanong, paano tayo makakapag-arrive sa sagot na yan na y prime is equals to negative 3x squared y to the 5th power minus 3 all over 5x cubed y to the 4 minus 24y squared. So paano natin makukuha yung sagot na yan? Now to start with, we have now the example number 1. So paano kung ngayon ika-calculate yan? So this is now the solution process. So ganito lang kadali yan. No? For as long as you know your derivative formulas, kabisado mo lahat ng mga formulas, hindi naman tayo mahihirapan dyan. So ito yung solution natin. No? Ulitin ko lang ng konti. For a solution process, let me try method A first. If this is the given equation, hindi kayong maigi mas pinili ko yung typing ako kaysa sa PowerPoint kasi dito makikita ninyo kung paano ko mag-calculate talaga ng actual. So x cubed y to the 5th power plus 3x is equals to 8y cubed plus 1. So gagawin natin yan by term. To start with, we have x cubed y to the 5th power. So yun yung mamarkahan ko ng kulay red mark, no? Yan. So x cubed y to the 5th power. So we need to take the derivative of our first term. So ano yung nakikita ninyo sa first term? Hindi ba product rule yan? Can you follow? Can you follow, class?
Opo.
Okay, dahil naka-product rule yan, ang gagamitin natin na formula is yung UDV plus BDU. So that's the product rule. So kailangan matutunan ninyo na kahit na hindi mo na isulat yung formula, pwede mo lang i-direct na i-compute yung derivative ng isang term. Okay, look at the way I'm going to do it. So for the x cubed y to the 5th power, ganito lang, no? Since method A tayo, kapag y ang ating inaanapan ng derivative, nilalagyan lang natin ng y prime. Kapag in terms of x ang inaanapan lang natin ng derivative, hayaan lang natin na walang y prime. At huwag lang lalagyan ng dx. Okay, ganito ang ibig ko sabihin doon. So let me try to take the derivative of the first term. So for the derivative of the first term, dahil naka-product form yan, yan yung maigi, no? Ito lang ang gagawin ni sir. I-view ko lang itong mga to. Is it? Now, yan yung maigi. X cubed y to the 5th. Una, dahil UDB yan, nangahanapan ko muna ng derivative is yung y to the 5th power. UB, di ba? Naka-product form. So x cubed, I'll just type x cubed here. And then ano ba ang derivative ng y to the 5th power? I am performing product rule here, no? Ano yung derivative ng y to the 5th? Anyone? So
5y raised to the 4th power po.
5y raised to the 4th power. So that's very good. So 5y raised to the 4th power. And since y ang hinanapan ko ng derivative, definitely magkakaroon ako ng y prime. Can you follow? Lalagyan ko ng y prime. Can you follow, class? Plus, ngayon naman ang hanapan natin ng derivative is yung x cube. So yung y to the fifth power is mare-retain lang. So y to the fifth. And then ano yung derivative ng x cube? What is the derivative of x cube? 3x squared. So allow me to type 3x squared now. So ito siya. So type ko yung 3x squared ngayon. Paki-off yung mga audio natin, mga anak. Yan. Then plus. Now, tapos na tayo sa red mark na x cubed y to the fifth power. Let us now move to the 3x. So dito ngayon ang hanapan natin ng derivative. Kung hanapan natin ang derivative ang 3x, ano ang derivative ng 3x?
3 po.
So I'll just type 3. Then equal. And then how about the derivative of the next term? 8y cubed. 24?
Y squared.
And then automatically, dahil y, in terms of y ang ating inanapan ng derivative, nilalagyan natin lagi ng y prime. Nakakasunod ba kayo? Huwag kakalimutan ng y prime kapag in terms of y ang inanapan ng derivative. Nakukuha ba natin? So lagyan ko ng y. So 24y squared. And then I'll write y prime. And then how about the derivative of 1? Derivative of 1, since it is a constant, automatically that is 0. Can you follow? Sundan ba natin? Hello,
Opo.
class? Nasundan ba natin?
Yes, sir.
po.
Okay, so that's it. So ganito lang ang susunod na gagawin natin. No? Okay, just look at it kung paano ako mag-solve. Ngayon, since sinahanap natin is y prime, lahat ng may y prime, ililipat ko sa left, dadaling ko lahat sa left side. So ilan lang naman yung may y prime na term? Ito lang at saka yung nasa right side. Ito, di ba, no? Ito lang dalawang yan. So, and then the rest, ililipat ko ng right yung walang y prime. So, copy-paste ko yung buong yan. So, ganito lang ang gagawin ko, no? So, having this again, copy and then paste. Ito, ililipat ko ng left. So, cut ko siya. Transpose ko ng left eh. Ilipat ko siya dito.
Sir, walang volume.
Walang volume? Yan, lipat ko siya, no? Magpapalit ako ng sign dahil nilipat ko siya. So, magiging minus. O plus pa rin yan, ano? So, ito namang mga term na yan, nilipat ko ng right. So, cut ko na sila. So, since nilipat ko ng right, magiging minus sign lahat sila. So, this will be now minus. And that will also be a minus sign. Now, we have already transposed all the term not having y prime. And makikita naman natin ngayon, lahat ng may y prime is nasa left-hand side na ng ating equation. Any other day. Tama? So, next thing to do is to simplify the given equation now. So, simplify ko yung equation natin, no? Bago tayo magpatuloy. So, ito. Simplify ko na siya. I think yung 5 dito, alisin ko lang, no? Daling ko sa unaan. So, I'll write 5 here and then delete that 5 there. Na nandito sa 5y to the 4. And then, i-cut ko lang yung y to the 4. Alisin ko na yung parenthesis para hindi sa masagwan tingnan. So, yan yung first term natin. Second term is already simplified. Dito naman, aalisin ko yung 3. Ililipat ko ng pwesto dito. And then, ika-cut ko yung x square. Ililipat ko rin siya between 3 and y to the 5th power. Then, alisin ko na yung naka-parenthesis. Can you follow, class? Sundan ba natin yung solution ni sir? Nakakasunod ba
Yes
kayo?
po.
Now,
Opo.
what's the next term? Okay, the next term will be factoring because I only need to determine y prime. Factoring with the left-hand side of the equation, I'm going to input a parenthesis here or a bracket. Lalagyan ko ng bracket. No, iba-bracket ko yung buong yan. Bakit? Okay, take note. Ando ko lang. Ito lang ang iba-bracket ko. Yan lang. Ito. And then, ipa-factor out ko ang y prime. So dahil pinactor out ko yung y prime, lahat ng y prime na nasa loob, baalisin ko na. Because y prime is actually their common factor. So ito yung y prime ngayon. Okay? Nakasunod ba kayo sa step na yan? Did you follow that step?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So copy-paste ko lang siya uli. Ganyan lang ang pagko-compute. Kaya lang, you have to be very careful at every steps. Okay, ang gagawin ko ngayon, ika-cut ko to. Since i-divide ko yung buong equation ng 5x cubed y to the 4 minus 24y square, ibig sabihin sa left, mawawala na to. Dahil i-divide ko yan sa buong equation. So ika-cut ko yan and then dito sa right, lalagyan ko lang ng fraction symbol. Ito siya, yan. And then ang gagawin natin is i-paste lang natin sa denominator. And then itong nasa left, yung empty, alisin ko na. Now as we can see, this is our final answer. This is our derivative using implicit differentiation process. Nakuha ba natin yung target natin? Nagparehas ba yung sagot? Parehas
Opo.
lamang ba?
Yes po.
Okay. So this is now the method A. Now I will also show you the method B. Nakapareho lamang ng arrival ng sagot natin. So may ibang pamamaraan ng pagkakalculate. So allow me to type method B. Yan. So this is now our method B. So copy-paste ko lang yan. Patit na, copy-paste ko lang yan. Kasi isosolve natin uli yung equation. Hanapan uli natin ng derivative. Ito siya. Ngayon, again, we have to start with the first term, x cubed y to the 5th power. Kung mamarkahan ko ng pula. Kung kanina, ilalagyan natin ng y prime, ang inanapan natin ng derivative with respect to y, and then yung derivative naman ng with respect to x, hindi nilalagyan ng y prime, basta hanapan lang ng derivative, dito iba tayo. Okay, ganito ang proseso ko dito, no? Kaya ando ko lang. So, ito yung process o yung diskarte ko kung paano ko maghanap ng derivative. Okay, just look at it. Okay, for the first term, x cubed y to the 5th power. So, hindi ba udb plus bdu? So, ang diskarte ko diyan, ang hanapan ko muna ng derivative is y to the 5th power. Sa makatuwid, yung x cubed is mariretain muna. So, retain ko muna yung x cubed. And then, hanapan ko lang derivative ang y to the 5th power. Okay, again, ano ba ang derivative ng y to the 5th power? Isn't that 5y raised to the 4th power? Okay, very good. So, I'll type a parenthesis here, and then 5y to the 4th. Okay, ando ko lang, no? So, I'll type 5y to the 4th power. But take note, lalagyan ko ng dy. Kung kanina y prime ang nilalagay natin, ngayon naman dy. Can you follow? Can you follow, class?
Opo.
Okay, plus. Ngayon naman ang ika-copy paste ko is yung y to the 5th power. Copy ko siya, no? Yan. Ano naman ngayon ang derivative ng x cubed? So 3x squared. So I'll type it. Lagyan ko ng parenthesis. Ito siya, no? Lagyan ko siya ng parenthesis. So I'll type 3, then x squared. But take note, lalagyan ko ng dx. Kapag in terms of x tayo, ang ilanapan natin ng derivative, automatic may dx. Kapag in terms of y ang inanapan ng derivative, automatic may dy. Nakukuha ba natin? So plus. So move tayo sa second term na 3x. Ano ngayon ang derivative ng 3x? If you are really listening, anong derivative ng 3x?
3.
3. May kulang. 3. Okay, lakas ang
3D.
boses. 3dx. Okay, very good. Automatic may dx. Equal. Ano ngayon ang derivative ng 8y cubed?
24y squared dy.
Okay, very good. So that's it. So 24y squared dy. And then derivative ng 1 is 0. So that's it. So ganyan lang siya kadali. Nakukuha ba natin? Can you still follow?
Yes po.
Okay. So this is the next thing that we're going to do. Of course, we need to simplify the equation para mas maayos siyang gamitin sa solution process. So copy-paste ko lang siya. Yung 5, bubrain ko, dadaling ko sa unahan. That's it. And then, aalisin ko lang yung parenthesis nito, kakat ko lang, cut ko muna siya, and then paste ko dito sa loob na, sa labas ng parenthesis. Yan. That's it. Simplified na siya. Yung 3, aalisin ko muna, dadaling ko sa unahan. And then yung x squared, kakat ko rin, dadaling ko sa pagitan ng 3 and y to the 5th power. And then yung dx, kakat ko, yan, isa yung pinakauling may susulat. Can you follow? Can you follow, class?
Yes po.
Now, the next thing to do, para mahanap natin ang value ng y prime, we need to multiply the entire equation by, ito yung pag-multiply ko, mga anak, automatic ito. Kapag na-express mo na sa dy at dx lahat ng mga term, we need to multiply it by 1 over dx. Can you follow? Kapag na-multiply ko na ng 1 over dx, magiging ganito ang arrival dyan eh. Para lang malinaw, no? So, ganito ang transformation na aking gagawin para kitang-kita ninyo, no? Ito, lahat ng mga term, gagawin kong fraction. Para lang makita ninyo. Yan, fraction ko yan. Fraction ko rin yung pangalawang term. Yung pangatlo, at yung pangapat. Bawat term ngayon, lalagyan ko ng over dx kasi nga, na-multiply ng 1 over dx. Dx dito, dx dyan, dx sa pangatlo, and then dx sa panguling term. Can you follow? Can you follow, class?
Yes po.
So sa simula, sa first term, wala tayong problem. Copy-paste ko lang siya. That's it. So na-copy-paste ko na siya. And then sa pangalawang term, makakancel ang dx. So ang ka-copy-paste ko na lang is yung nasa taas. So 3x y to the 5th. 3x squared y to the 5th. Yan. Plus. Na-cancel na yung dx eh. Nasundan ba natin? Then, plus, dito makakancel lang dx sa third term. So plus 3 na lang. Equal. And ito mariretain. So copy ko lang siya. And i-reset now. Nakuha ba ninyo? Nag-guess ba natin?
Yes, sir.
But, look at this, no? Always remember that dy over dx is also y prime. Okay, type ko na siya para klaro. But, dy over dx is also y prime. And it is also f of prime of x. Magkakamukha lang yung tatlong yan. Okay, no? So, ang gagawin ko niyan, kakopy-paste ko uli yung given natin, lahat ng dy over dx, papalitan ko lang ng y prime. So, ito, kakopy-paste ko yung sa taas. Copy. space, and then y prime. Plus, itong dalawang term na yan, diretso ko nang i-copy. Dudugtong ko lang dito. And then magkakaroon lang sila ng wala na, no? Walang y prime kasi wala naman silang dy over dx, and then equal ito 24y square. Dudugtungan ko lang ng y prime. But may 3 ito. Nakalangan ko siya, no? Kasi ko yung equal dito. Yan. Dito yung equal. And then, copy paste. Let's see, then, lagyan ko ng y prime. Sinipalo. Sundan ba natin? Malinaw ba? So, lahat ng may y prime, dadaling ko sa left, and lahat ng walang y prime, dadaling ko sa right. Actually, ito din yon. Para mabilis na lang, no? Ito siya. So, mula dito hanggang doon, hanggang sa baba, copy-paste ko na lang. Parehas lang kasi yan. Ito. Sa inyo, ha? Lahat ng may y prime, nilipat ko sa left. Any receipt. Actually, ito na lang. Alisin ko na to. Simplify ko na dyan, eh. Yan. Kita nyo? Lahat ng may y prime, ito, lilipat ko sa left. And then, itong mga yan, nilipat ko sa right. And then, we'll just do the same thing what we did before with the method A, and then we can see we will arrive with the same answer. Ito pa rin yung sagot natin. Klaro ba ang example number 1?
Opo.
Klaro, klaro talaga. Huwag kayong mahiya. Malinaw ba?
Opo.
Okay. So let us have now example number 2. Y prime by implicit differentiation. Okay, I want you to help me solving this problem. So let us start first with the method A. Para lang may ensayo tayo, no? O, copy-paste ko yan. I want you to dictate me everything that I need to write here. Now, if I will take the derivative of the first term, what must be it? Please kindly inform me of the result. What is the derivative of the first term if I will write it here?
If y to the second power, squared po.
6y, 6y squared. So I'll type 6 y squared. What do I need to write since we are with the method A? Ano yung missing?
Y prime.
Y prime. Automatic yon. Plus, how about 4x squared? Anong derivative? 8x. How about the next term, the y? What will be its derivative?
Negative 1 y prime.
Negative 1 y prime. So, negative y prime na lang. Equal. How about the derivative of the next term? 6x to the fifth. So, very easy, di ba? Basta alam mo lang yung mga formula, hindi ka na mahihirapan sa implicit differentiation. Now, lahat ng may y prime, dadaling ko sa left. Lahat ng walang y prime, nililipat ko naman sa right. So, madali na lang dyan. Kasi simplified na yung mga terms natin. Ito na lang yung ililipat ko sa kanan. Okay, cut ko lang siya. Transpose natin. Yun nga lang, magpapalit tayo ng sign. Magiging minus 8x. Can you follow? Can you follow?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Copy-paste ko lang muli yan. Dali ko dito. Ang nasa left is lalagyan ko lang ng bracket para may factor out natin ng y prime. So, siya, no? Lagyan ko ng bracket and then i-factor out ko ang y prime. Aalisin ko sa loob yung mga y prime dahil ang y prime is actually their common term. Going back to your highest common monomial factor topic nung nasa algebra pa lang kayo. Yan. Hello? Klaro pa ba?
Yes po.
Okay. Now, until we will have this answer because we will divide the entire equation by 6y squared minus 1. So ito yung ating final answer. Yan. And that's it. Kung paano nakuha yung sagot natin na naka-indicate kanina. So this is our method A. Yan yung ating final answer. Now, let us proceed to the method B. So, sa method B, ganito lang kadali yan. Kailangan we will be arriving with the same answer, no? Okay. If we will apply method B, okay, look at it. If I will apply method B, what will be the derivative of the first term?
6y squared dy.
Okay, very good. So, I'll type 6, then y squared dy. How about the next term? What is its derivative?
8x.
Yeah.
Okay, how about the next term? Minus
1 dy lang po.
dy.
okay, dy lang. How about the next term? What will be its derivative?
6x squared dx.
6x to the,
Fifth power.
Fifth power po.
and then,
dx.
dx.
hindi nakakalimutan dapat yung mga yan, ano? Okay, next. Ano yung multiply ko dyan?
1 over dx.
Okay, that's very good. So I need to multiply the entire equation by 1 over dx. In doing that, I will show you. Okay, ganito lang kadali yun. Okay, lagyan ko ng fraction bawat term para kitang-kita ninyo. Yan. Fraction ko yan. Fraction ko yung pangalawang term. The third term, including the last term. So that you may see very clear yung solution. Lalagyan ko lahat ng dx. Ito, dx. Lagyan ko ng dx yan. Lagyan ko ng dx ito. Now, if we're going to simplify it, this will be retained yung first term, no? So, plus. And dito na lang is magiging 8x na lang. Tama ba si sir? 8x na lang. And the
Yes,
next
po.
one will be retained. This one. Copy. Equal sa right side is 6x to the 5 na lang ang matitira. Tama ba?
Opo.
Okay, so that's it. And then next. Lahat ng dy over dx is magiging y prime. Okay, ito copy-paste ko yan. Copy. Yan. Then I'll type y prime. And then this will be retained. Plus minus y prime. Do you agree? Equal 6x to the 5. Finally, if we will go back to method A, ito rin siya. Oh. So, ibig sabihin niya, copy-paste ko na lang yung latter part ng solution sa method A. Yun din kasi ang dating eh. Yun din ang baksak niya. So, mean to say, we will just arrive with the same result. Can you follow? Sundan ba natin? Yes, the example very clear. Now, let us have another example. Determine the value of y prime by implicit differentiation. So, ito, iba naman, no? May nakita na tayong function. So, method A tayo. So, enter ko na lang, di nakasya sa page. Ito siya, yan. Baba ko na lang ng konti. So now, if we're going to take the derivative of 7y squared, what will be it?
14y.
14y? Yun lang?
Y prime.
Yun.
Y prime.
Hindi kinakalimutan yung y prime. So, 14y, y prime. And plus, ano ba ang derivative ng sin u? Ano bang derivative ng 3 sin? Ano?
Cosine u.
Cosine u. So anong derivative ng sine 3x?
3 cosine 3x.
Okay, so that's it. Kailangan matuto tayo ng mga shortcuts. Okay, equal. Anong derivative ng 12?
0.
Okay, anong derivative ng y to the 4?
4y cubed.
Okay, so 4, then y cubed. See, it's very easy. Walang mahirap, di ba, no? Yan. Now, lahat, may nakalimutan yata tayo dito. Ano yung
Y
nakalimutan?
prime direct.
Y prime. Yan. So, lahat ng y prime, lilipat ko ng, lahat ng may y prime, lilipat ko ng left. So, copy ko na lang ito. Para mabilis yung flow ng calculation. So, kakat ko to. So, cut ko siya, no? Yan. Lagay ko dito. Yung nga lang, papalitan ko ng sign. Magiging positive. And this one, ikakat ko rin. Ilipat ko sa right. And same thing, since we have transposed it, we will change its sign. Magiging negative. Can you follow? Klaro
Yes,
ba? Now, lahat.
Opo.
Okay, copy-paste ko uli yan, no? Copy-paste ko uli. I'm just going to insert a bracket sa buong left-hand side ng equation natin so that we can factor out y prime. So, factor out ko na ang y prime. And then, aalisin ko tigisa sa bawat term ng y prime since the common term is y prime. Yung common factor nila. Yan. And that's it. Then finally, if we're going to divide